The experts in canine education, both the more traditional side and the one that advocates a positive education, are in favor of the prizes for dogs. All warn, however, that they should be offered only when it is necessary, not in a random way, since the goal should be to reinforce behaviors that we want to repeat. 1. The prizes for dogs, always healthy, and homemade. Practicing a healthy diet seems utopian when the scenario is that of an excessive and insane food supply, especially in the richest countries. It is for us, but also for the animals that accompany us. The accelerated pace that devours our hours coupled with the practicality of processed food make our food a workhorse. Also for our dogs and other pets, that are dragged to our vital rhythms. In this context, it is not surprising that obesity and overweight are two of the most common problems among domestic animals. It is estimated that a dog is overweight when its body weight exceeds 10% of its ideal weight, and if it is more than 20% it is considered obesity. Faced with this problem, it is best to analyze what kind of prizes we are offering to our pet, what composition they have and in what quantities, when their origin is external to the home. Specific stores of animal feeding and supermarkets offer snacks of the most varied whose labels must be analyzed with care to know firsthand what we are giving our pet. Another option, maybe the best one, to give them healthy and homemade prizes. 2. Healthy prize options for your pet. The natural foods, barely processed, that we can prepare at home, are an ideal option if we want to reward our real pet. Among the most appropriate options, raw fruits and vegetables, cooked or dehydrated, and meat. We just need to change some priorities of our day-to-day and prepare a healthy snack for our pet in our home. Remember that you should avoid eggs without cooking completely, certain foods forbidden to dogs such as yeast, cow's milk, tea or macadamia nuts and, of course, no salt, sugar or alcohol. Apples, carrots or cooked rice are some of the healthy prizes we can offer our dog to avoid unhealthy foods and the risk of obesity. So, some ideas that can serve as guidance to prepare sweets or healthy prizes for your furry friend are: pieces of fruits such as apple, pear, melon, watermelon, strawberries, red fruits or peach. Vegetables and vegetables such as carrots, green beans, zucchini, broccoli or celery. They can be cooked, dehydrated or cut raw. Grilled liver strips without salt. Cooked or roasted chicken. Pieces of potato or pumpkin, better cooked. French omelette in strips or scrambled eggs. Rice or pasta cooked with a little olive oil. Despite being considered healthy prizes for dogs, the general recommendation is to moderate their consumption, since you can tend to supercharge the dog with these snacks under the idea that if they are healthy, they will not influence their weight in large amounts. Remember that each dog is different, so we must find what is the reward that motivates our partner to reinforce positive behaviors that we want to internalize. For dog lovers who wanted to make a rewarding and meaningful difference in the lives of dogs, the secret ingredient to becoming a successful dog trainer is here. Click on the link below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. Thanks.